This video is about the special intensive revision process that had been initiated by the Election Commission of India in Bihar and West Bengal. The Supreme Court of India, in its recent verdict given by the Chief Justice of India Suryakant Mishra and Joyamala Bagchi in this regard, the Election Commission of India is vested with mandatory powers to superintendents and conduct of election in free and fair manner. But the exclusion process that the voters have been left out of making their names in the electoral rolls was cautioned by the Supreme Court of India on many counts. The point here is that the editorial of the New Indian Express dated 29th of this month is very important. I quote, "The court examined four central concerns: whether the commission possessed the authority to conduct the revision, whether genuine voters could be disfranchised, whether the documentary requirements could become exclusionary, and the extent to which courts should intervene during an ongoing electoral process. The verdict largely accepted the Commission's position that periodic cleaning of rolls is necessary to preserve electoral integrity. But it cautioned against arbitrary exclusion and procedural overreach, particularly in relation to migrants, poorer citizens, the elderly, and those lacking a documentation, quote unquote." The point here is that the Supreme Court of India has given enormous powers to the Election Commission of India as a constitutional body, but it never interfered in such a way to check the Election Commission of India to act against the constitutional norms and in the representation of People's Act 1956 in this regard. The point herein is that the Supreme Court of India has accepted that none should be kept away from the enrollment of genuine electoral voters. They should not be excluded from the voting right. It's very appreciable on the part of the Supreme Court of India, but it has given enormous powers to the Election Commission of India even to check certain things of scrutinizing citizenship in this regard. What is the duty of the Election Commission of India is not about scrutinizing the citizenship. It rests with the Ministry of Home Affairs. It is the sole responsibility and onerous duty of the Home Ministry to conduct the citizenship exercise as far as citizens are concerned, but it is none of the duty of the Election Commission of India. But the Supreme Court of India has not given any clear-cut and categorical answer to this question, and some of the guidelines that have been given by the Supreme Court of India in the past have been duly violated by the Election Commission of India on many counts. What has happened in Bihar? Lakhs and lakhs of genuine electoral voters have been left out of this enrollment of voters list, and also in West Bengal, their genuine concerns have not been addressed properly. Lakhs and lakhs of genuine voters have been excluded from the voting right in West Bengal also. After this process is over, the voters, genuine voters, have been left out of even in West Bengal. The appeal cases are still pending. Hence, the Supreme Court of India failed to address the concerns of the scrutiny of citizenship, and now the West Bengal Chief Minister has cautioned that those who have been not in the voters list will be eliminated from the soil of West Bengal, they would be sent out of the country. This is causing a series of concerns, not only by the BJP and RSS governments, but by the Supreme Court, not clear-cut directions in this regard. This is the concerns of this video. Thank you so much.